Welcome back to the ground control station. We got here another RCI 2995. Boy, those RCIs come out of the woodworks, man. But this is going to a new home from Mr. Simmons. Mr. Simmons, this is your radio, man. I know you want a diagnostics, make sure everything is squared away, cleaned up if need be, and you want a switch installed for the amplifier section. So we're gonna put it right here. No doubt about it. All right, so what we're gonna do, RF power all the way down. Let's get that mic gain all the way up. Okay. And we're gonna key this cotton picker up. Got about 2.8 watts. Let's turn this mic gain all the way down. My bad. About 2.5 watts, 0 reflect. Spot on frequency. 2-division carrier. About 2.5 watts, 0 on the reflect. All right. Now, turn the RF power all the way up. And mind you guys, we're going through a 1500 watt dry dummy load. All right. About 45 watts almost. About a watt of reflect there. All right, spot on frequency. Go ahead and sit you down here. We'll just go ahead and throw in 1 kilohertz tone, RF power all the way down, mic gain all the way up. There's your 2-division carrier. All right. So true to the tone, we had about 29.5 average watts, half a watt of reflect. Mr. Simmons, there's your wave. Just a little funky monkey. It's actually not that bad, to be honest with you. I know a lot of people be like, what do you mean ground control? Yeah, it's really not that bad, man. Positive peaks aren't too bad at all. Okay? It's just the carrier. Like I say, the carrier isn't, it's pinched, it's flatlining, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. And we'll get that squared away. All right, moving on now. RF power all the way down, mic gain all the way up. Randy said you're getting about 120 watts out of it. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Audio check, 1, 2, 3. Audio breaker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Audio check. Yeah, it's about 120 watts peak max there. That's kind of tight. When you're still kind of pinching a little bit here. As you can see, those positive roll-offs as I was talking didn't look bad at all. It was that damn carrier, man, when it flatlined in between each waveform. So, yeah, man. I mean, I got a little bit of work cut out for me, but this is pretty much a solid radio, man. We went through the receive already and tested that, and there's no reason to touch the receive section at all, man. So, all right. So, actually, let me get the lids off of this thing. And actually, you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's go RF power all the way up. Okay. Let's see what we're getting here now. About 46 watts. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. We got about 150 watts there. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carrier is still pinching. I do need to reset my two division carrier. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Sit you down. All right, two division carrier. Audio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Audio. Audio. Oh, she's really pinching now. Audio. Oh yeah, okay. I see what's going on here now. RF power all the way up. Mic gain all the way up. 136 watts true to the tone. About 3.5 watts of reflect. It's pretty much normal for a radio attached to a damn amplifier like it is. Okay, so see if we can't. This is RF power all the way up, mic gain all the way up. All right, let's see where we can back it down at on the high side of the RF power. We'll turn the mic gain down and see where this thing starts to clean up at. 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. That's about 9 o'clock. It's about 7 o'clock. Probably 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, right about here. All right. That's as far as I can go down without making it completely flat. All right, as far as we can go down on the mic gain until we can go completely flat with the modulation. See, I'll turn the mic gain all the way down. All right, it's all the way down. We'll crank it up until it looks decent. And that's still like undermodulated as hell. All right. So we'll turn the mic gain all the way up again. Yeah. All right. So we got a little bit of cleaning up to do. Everything looks pretty darn spot on. Okay. We are going to pull back near finals and we're going to test your pre-driver. We're going to test the AM regulator, voltage regulator down the line. As you can tell here, Mr. Simmons, you do have a trap coil that is spread. Let's see if we can get a zoom on there. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and, well, actually, I've never talked about this before, but when I do retune these things, I actually desolder them off of the board. Then I retune them and then I put them back in the board. Yes, you can squeeze them together. Yes, you can put them back together that way, but it's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be factory, okay? So you have to watch what you do with these. These are your 54 megahertz trap coils. So inevitably, whoops, we're gonna get that squared away. And then actually we're gonna repaste, get thermal paste on all your components here, okay? So it has a nice medium to transfer heat to the chassis. And also, here's your wires for the amplifier control. So we're gonna run your switch back here, man. Okay. All right, but as of right now, man, pretty goddamn solid radio. Immaculate inside and basically immaculate outside. No doubt about it. All right, hold on to something. We'll be back. We got you back intact, man. We pulled it all. Got you some more brand new, fresh thermal compound. All right. So I don't go a little crazy with them, man. I just, I put enough on there to where when I screw these back in, bolt them back to the chassis, they kind of smudge out a little bit. No big deal. I'm telling you, more thermal compound is better than little compound, okay? Those components will heat up with minimal thermal compound. Also, we got your trap coil wound back tight, brother. All right. And we also have your, can we do a focus? There we go. We'll also have your amplifier switch installed. Mr. Simmons, we got this thing rocking and rolling. Got your switch installed back there. All right. Down is amp off. Up is amp on. All right. Power all the way down, mic gain all the way up. 1 kilohertz tone coming up. True to the tone, got about 25 watts of swing. Half a watt of reflect. All right, RF power all the way up. Mic gain all the way up. 1 kilohertz tone coming up. All right. True to the tone, you got 134 watts of peak power with about 3.2 watts of reflect. That's normal. Come back here to the analog. RF power on low, mic gain all the way up. 2.5 watt dead key, 0 reflect. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. 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 All right, about 154 watt radio. We'll come back here. Turn this RF power all the way up. All right, we'll put you back down here. RF power all the way up. Mic gain all the way up. Reflect. About a watt and a half, watt and a quarter. About 43 watts. Audio check 1 2 3 4 5. 43 watts. Audio with 155 watt swing. 4 watts of reflect. Audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. All right, and while we're here, we'll just switch over to sideband. RF power all the way up. Mic gain all the way up. 2-tone coming up. About 112 watts, true to the tone. Yeah, man, this thing's a talker. And she's doing what she's supposed to be doing. And I tell you, it's damn clean too. I would run the mic gain probably about 1 o'clock, maybe 12 o'clock. 2 could be fine in a quiet environment. But yeah, this thing come out stroking. Got yourself probably about a 155 watt radio and it's clean. So kudos to that. Mr. Simmons, thank you. I appreciate your business, sir. YouTube, please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys as well. You know who it is on this side. 204 Black Ops Technology. And we're gone.